Good morning, children. Today we have to complete exercise 12.1. So here is question number 14. Divide 20 pens among Sheila and Sangeeta in the ratio 3:2. हमें 20 पेन्स को डिवाइड करना है शीला और संगीता के बीच में और रेशो होना चाहिए 3:2. Means 3 parts should go to Sheila and 2 parts should go to Sangeeta. So let's find out. Ratio between Sheila and Sangeeta is given to you 3:2. So first of all, what you will do, you will sum up the ratios. Total of these terms will be 3 plus 2, that is 5. So part of Sheila, I'm going to find out first. As Sheila has got 3 parts out of, this is the total of your parts. 3 out of 5 parts of total pens Sheila will get. So 3 parts out of 5 multiply by, अब total कितना है बेटा हमारे पास 20 पेन्स हैं. तो 3 parts out of 5 Sheila will get of 20 pens. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20 and 3 fours are 12. So Sheila will get 12 pens. Now Sangeeta gets, संगीता को क्या शेयर मिलेगा बेटा, यहाँ पे संगीता का शेयर है 2 parts out of 5. So 2 upon 5 multiply by 20. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 4 twos are 8. So 8 pens. So Sheila will get 12 pens and Sangeeta will get 8 pens. Okay. So in this way you will find out. और दूसरा तरीका क्या हो सकता है बेटा, when you have got कि how many pens Sheila will get, that is 12, you can subtract 12 from the total pens, that is 20. So 20 minus 12 will be 8. So there is no need to do find out the number of pens attained by Sangeeta like this. You can easily subtract 12 from 20 to get the Sangeeta's share. That is up to you. If you want to do like this, it's your wish. Next question. Mother wants to divide rupees 36 among Shreya and Bhumika, but according to the ratio of their ages. Here ratio of age of Shreya to that of Bhumika is 15:12. ये आपको रेशियो ऑफ एज दिया है, ये श्रेया का, ये भूमिका का. ओके. और मनी टू बी डिवाइडेड इज रुपीज़ 36. सो जो रेशियो ऑफ एजेस है, सबसे पहले हम उसे रिड्यूस करेंगे 3 के टेबल से. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. 5:4 is the ratio of ages of Shreya and Bhumika. Now first of all I will sum up the ratios which is given, that is 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Now I am going to find out the Shreya share, means how much money she will get. Shreya will get 5 parts, this is Shreya's ratio, 5 parts out of 9 of the total money to be divided. 5 upon 9 multiply by 36. So 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, 5 fours are 20 rupees. So Shreya will get 20 rupees out of 36. Now let us find out Bhumika's share. You can directly subtract 20 from 36 to get Bhumika's share. Or either you can use this method. Bhumika's share is 4 parts out of 9. So 4 upon 9 of total money to be divided. 4 upon 9 multiply by 36. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, 4 fours are 16. So 16 rupees is the share of Bhumika. Question number 16. Here the present age of father is given to you 42 and present age of son is given to you, that is 14. Now you have to find out the ratio of father's present age to the son's present age in A part. Father's present age is 42 and son's present age is 14. So I have reduced these ratio on the table of 14. 14 3s are 42, 14 1s are 14. So 3:1 is the ratio of father's present age to the son's present age. Now what is the ratio 2 years ago? 2 years ago मीन सन का एज आपको 12 years गिवन है, तो इसका मतलब कि आपको फादर का एज भी 2 साल पहले का निकालना है. तो फादर की एज में से आप 2 years माइनस कर दीजिए, यू विल गेट द एज ऑफ फादर्स 2 years ago, दैट इज़ 40. So ratio of father is to son. Father's age is 40 and son's age is 12. So I have reduced it on the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 0, 4 threes are 12. So ratio is 10:3. Now here after 10 years, now you have to find out the ratio of father to son age after 10 years. So age of son after 10 years, it will be 14 plus 10 because present age is 14. So we'll add 10 in 14, that is 24. And age of father, as present age is 42, 42 plus 10 is 52 years. Now ratio of fathers to son, 52 is to 24. I have reduced the fraction by the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 4 6 are 24. So 13:6. In D part, you have to find out the ratio of fathers to son's age when father was 30 years old. It means when father was 30 years old, what will be the age of son? What was the age of the son, that we have to find out. So that is 12 years ago. 12 years ago, the son's age was 14 minus 12, that is 2 years, right? So father's ratio son, father was 30 years and son was 2 years only. So these ratios can be reduced by the table of 2. 2 15s are and 2 1s are. So this is your answer, 15:1.